Welcome back to Dynamic Motors, and today we show another collectible item, which is Lexus SC400. It's 1998 model, and it's here right outside. Beige tan interior, leather, really nice condition. Around the drives great. It's only 117,000 miles. Tires were just replaced, brakes are great. Engine transmission is really good, so everything seems to be functioning properly. Just gonna do a quick walk around. Okay. I see maybe a few little scuffs on the hood. Okay. Nothing crazy. Other than that, car is in really nice shape. Paint looks good. Okay. Has a little chip on the paint here. You can barely see that. Probably can pinstripe it, and that will be good. Nice chrome wheels. Okay. Look how clean it is on the inside. Have a little nicks here. Driver's seat looks good. Passenger seat looks good. So let's start this car up. By the way, we have 2 keys. Okay. Okay.
Others by the time these hearings take place, but
as you can see, radio works.
I'm on notice that we will.
AC blows ice cold. Right. The engine runs nice and smooth. Okay. Okay. No check engine light, no airbag lights. Okay. Both windows works good. Let me pop the hood for you. Power options working, seat move back and forth. Let me show you the sunroof. Opens up. And you can close it. Here we go. All good. We're gonna pop the hood. Okay, this is the trunk button, that's the hood. Oh, let me show you what's in the trunk. Here we have a 12 CD changer. I don't know if anybody listens for CDs, but back in 1998 that was a big option, so. Alright. I don't know if it works or not. I never used it, never tested it, but the unit is there. So. I'm gonna pop the hood. Both lights are working. You can barely hear the engine, it's so smooth and quiet. Okay. So any questions, give us a call visit us at 1945 Sunset Point Road, Clearwater, Florida, or check the website www.dynamicmotorsflorida.com. Let me show you the. Okay. Here we go. It's the passenger door. Okay. Seats. Up. Both power seats working just fine. Okay. Really beautiful collectible item. Not too many of them out there. Okay.